Madeleine, what's up with those tears in your eyes? What happened when you shut down and all the amber lights turned into red? In the silence of your cave, you feel safe, you decorated with velvet drapes. Outside you see the dark woods, but you don't know this feels of gold ahead. Hold on, so let go. Hold on, you'll know that help is on its way. Rise up, rise up, rise up, Madeleine. The sun will come out again. Rise up, rise up, rise up, Madeleine. The summer will come and kiss you with honesty, love you unconditionally, trust you and let you breathe, give you back your dignity. So rise up, rise up, rise and live again. It's only you can, Madeleine. Oh, 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 Madeleine. Remember when you used to sit and watch from the bridge and wonder where the ships would go, who was on and what they would find out? You wrote it in a notebook and said someday that this would be a story to tell. And you put it in a movie, maybe be the movie star, something stole your tears and wiped your smile away. Hey, hey.